Oh my god. Like, this is quite literally the most beautiful box ever. Thank you, Numbuzin. Hi, hello, 안녕, ray입니다. 반갑습니다. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome, welcome! My name is Ray, and if you don't know who I am, that is okay because you can find out more about me here on all social media platforms. My skin type is oily, sensitive, reactive, dehydrated, and sometimes it can also be combination. Okay, we're in for a treat today, but it's more like I'm in for a treat because I'm the one who's benefiting from all of this. But I want you guys to be here when I open this box because, oh my gosh, the moment I took it out of the delivery box and I saw the actual box itself, I was like, this is so beautiful and I love shiny things. Here we go. 우리 가자. 짠짠! Ba-bam! Ta-da! 짠짠! This is a special box that Numbuzin has been sending out to a lot of content creators and influencers, so I'm really honored to be on their PR list. I'm so honored to just be thought of. This one really surprised me because I never thought that Numbuzin would actually want to put me on the PR list because I talked a lot of smack about their, I think it was the number 3 SPF / makeup base. I really didn't like it. I didn't like the texture, and like they actually reached out to me to like explain how to use the product. I still didn't like it, but they were still very patient and they were very kind and generous to me. They reached out to me along with other really big content creators. I'm talking like millions of subscribers, and here I am with like my 11,000, and then it's like, why am I on this list with all these amazing creators? I don't understand. But anyhow, I'm grateful. Thank you so much, Numbuzin. I love you so much. 사랑해. Let's get right to unbox. Oh my gosh, I think I just opened it by accident. Let's get right into unboxing, which is super easy. This special gift box. Dun, dun. That was easy. So pretty. This is getting awkward because I don't know how to hold this. Numbuzin's summer kits. So I guess all these, are these new products? These are their new products. So the sunscreen that's in this box is actually supposed to be acne prone skin, friendly, hydrating, no white cast, and soothing and cooling. And listen, I feel like they've been listening to all the reviewers lately because every time I complain about a product, aka their number 3 makeup base being like super casty and like just very not workable for darker and deeper skin tones, they immediately launch another sunscreen that has no white cast, and it's like, really? You guys are so receptive. That's amazing. Vitamin Niacinamide Concentrated Pad, which is a toner pad. Then they have the number 5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum, which is a vitamin C serum, which is supposed to help target hyperpigmentation and evening out the skin tone. Wow, okay, wow, this is all of Numbuzin's products, okay? Let me show you guys. The colors of the rainbow. 헐, 완전 real, 진짜
대박, 리얼, 헐.
This is awesome. This is so nice to have. Like, just, I've never tried all their products, so now I get to know like what products they have all in one page. This is awesome. I love this. Thank you so much for this. Oh no, the glue is already separating. It's okay, 괜찮아요, 괜찮아. So this is the number 5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum, and it also contains glutathione. I feel like glutathione is making a comeback. A while back, I've heard of this ingredient a couple of times, and suddenly now like a lot of current skincare brands as well as newer skincare brands are coming out with products that are glutathione focused, and I'm just like, I wonder what's the deal. So as usual, expected, this is a vitamin C serum, so everything is going to be packaged separately. Potency and efficacy. Oh, this is nice. This is also very like holographic here as well. I can't wait to start using it. Okay, the next one would be the toner pads. So the packaging is the same thing as the serum itself. Holographic, very minimalistic. Oh, what? I thought it would be like a round tub, but it's a square tub. Wow. Oh, this is cute. It's square. Oh, I like this. Oh, and it has like the tweezer for you on the lid. So nice. There are 180 milliliters of, I guess is their, it might be their essence. I haven't checked the prices for these yet because again, I didn't know that these were the new products. So I really didn't look up anything at this point. Thank you, Numbuzin. Pure Full Calming Herb Toner. This one is 300 milliliters. This is gigantic. This is This is enormous. I need every single brand to release large size products like this simply because I just hate ordering new bottles and opening new bottles. I just want to use one bottle for a very long time, okay? Done. Wow. I like this packaging. It's so minimalistic. It's very aesthetic. It looks really blue on my viewfinder right now, but it's actually like this minty kind of green. Oh wait, I thought this might be like a flip cap, but it's actually a twist cap. This is like the opposite of the number 3 essence because that one is like pretty thick. This one feels and looks very watery. Alright, so the last product is the Pure Full Calming Water Sunscreen. So this is an SPF 50+, PA4+'s type of sunscreen. They claim this not to have white cast, so I want to see if that's actually true. Ooh, it has like the little bottle nose kind of packaging, which I don't see a lot in sunscreen that I personally use. All the sunscreens that I have right now are very much like the generic type of nozzle. Oh, I thought there would be like a seal in there or something. Ooh, okay, this one has like that green tint to it. It actually cancels out the redness and then balances your skin tone that way. It is so liquidy. But when it came out of the bottle, it was like creamy. Like it didn't move, it didn't like shape shift while it was just kind of like sitting there. It just stood in place. But once I started mixing it, it's so watery and like liquidy and no fragrance! Oh no, this might be my new favorite sunscreen. I don't think there's any white cast either. I think they're right. They might be right! This might be my new favorite sunscreen. It actually has a cooling effect. Alright, what else did they say this is gonna do? Okay, soothing and cooling, check. Like, I have that cooling sensation here. Oh my god. No white cast, check. Super hydrating, is it? I can't really tell. But it was very watery and liquidy once I put it on. So I think that's what they meant by it. I do need to reapply sunscreen, so I'm gonna apply it on my face. Feels so nice. It feels so nice. Numbuzin, thank you for making this beautiful sunscreen. Oh, 완전 좋아요. Feels so nice. Oh my god. It actually reminds me of Mixun's Centella sun cream. Like the texture, even down to like the Centella smell. Yeah, Centella asiatica is the 3rd ingredient. Wow. No, it's a 2nd ingredient. What the heck? Ooh, and they got Hortonia cordata, heart leaf, which is the 3rd ingredient. Wow, they went all out with this sunscreen. Yeah, there really is no white cast. It kind of gives me that like natural glow to my skin without. 진짜 좋아요. Good job, Numbuzin. That is all for this video. Thank you so much, Numbuzin, for sending over this very special gift box. I love it so much. I love this box so much. I love the contents in the box a lot. I'm not sure if these products are already on sale anywhere. If I do find them, I'll link them below in the down bar. Thank you, Numbuzin, once again, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please help the channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Until then, be safe, stay hydrated, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. I mean it. 안녕, come back for more. 주세요.